Let's learn how you can recover WhatsApp view once photos. So let us start by opening our WhatsApp application. Now we want to go to chat with that person who sent you view once photo. Let us open it now. Okay, it will say that screen recording is blocked because I am recording from this phone. But what you want to do is to go back, go to settings, then go to storage and data and manage storage, and you will have to go to chats and find the chat with that person that sent you this photo. Then you will have to click on this up and down arrow in bottom left side and click on newest, and you will find your photo there. I will not, because I screen recorded on my phone, but if you do open photo without screen recording, it will appear here. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.